MBA Crash Course, Managerial Accounting and Cost Analysis. Introduction. Managerial accounting is a branch of accounting that focuses on providing information to internal stakeholders, such as managers and decision-makers, to aid in the planning, control, and decision-making processes within an organization. Cost analysis, on the other hand, involves the examination and understanding of costs incurred by a business to support strategic decision-making. Importance of managerial accounting and cost analysis. Managerial accounting plays a vital role in helping managers make informed decisions, evaluate performance, control costs, and maximize profitability. It involves various techniques and tools to analyze financial data and assess the financial health of a company. Cost analysis helps identify areas of cost inefficiencies, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall financial performance. Example 1. Cost Volume Profit, CVP, analysis. CVP analysis is a technique used to examine the relationship between costs, volume, and profits. It helps in understanding how changes in these variables affect the overall profitability of a business. For example, a company may use CVP analysis to determine the number of units it needs to sell to cover its fixed costs and achieve a target profit. Example 2. Activity-based costing, ABC. ABC is a method used to allocate costs to products or services based on the activities that drive those costs. It provides a more accurate picture of the true cost of producing a product or delivering a service by considering the various activities involved. For instance, a manufacturing company may use ABC to identify the costs associated with each step in the production process and make informed decisions about product pricing and resource allocation. Example 3. Budgeting and variance analysis. Budgeting is the process of planning and controlling an organization's financial resources. It involves setting financial goals, estimating revenues and expenses, and allocating resources accordingly. Variance analysis compares actual results against budgeted amounts to identify deviations and take corrective actions. This allows managers to monitor performance, control costs, and improve efficiency. Top 12 Managerial Accounting and Cost Analysis Techniques. 1. Cost Volume Profit, CVP, analysis. 2. Activity-based costing, ABC. 3. Budgeting and variance analysis. 4. Break-even analysis. 5. Contribution margin analysis. 6. Decision-making analysis. 7. Standard costing. 8. Pricing strategies and profitability analysis. 9. Balanced scorecard. 10. Cost estimation and cost behavior analysis. 11. Throughput accounting. 12. Target costing. Summary. Managerial accounting and cost analysis are essential tools for decision-making and financial management within organizations. These techniques help managers understand costs, evaluate performance, plan budgets, make pricing decisions, and optimize resource allocation. By employing these tools effectively, businesses can enhance their financial performance and achieve their strategic objectives. While this overview provides a glimpse into managerial accounting and cost analysis, it's important to delve deeper into each technique, explore case studies, and engage in practical exercises to develop a comprehensive understanding. Consider referring to textbooks, online courses, or pursuing an MBA program to gain a more thorough grasp of the subject matter. I hope this brief overview serves as a starting point for your exploration of managerial accounting and cost analysis. Poem. In the realm of numbers and financial lore. Where accounting meets decisions, let us explore. Managerial Accounting, a strategic guide. To navigate the business world with pride. Within the balance sheets and ledgers dance lies a realm of numbers, a complex expanse. Costs and analysis, their stories unfold. In the language of numbers, their tales untold. With CVP analysis, we unveil the way to understand costs, volumes, and profits at play. Activity-based costing reveals the truth. Allocating costs to activities, a valuable sleuth. Budgeting and variance analysis shine a light. Monitoring performance, keeping goals in sight. Break-even analysis, a point of no return. Where revenues meet costs, profits begin to churn. Contribution margin, a key metric to see how each sale contributes to the company's glee. Decision-making analysis aids in the quest to choose the best path and outshine the rest. Standard costing, a benchmark to compare. Actual costs to standards, a watchful affair. Pricing strategies and profitability analysis. Crafting a competitive edge, business genesis. Balanced scorecard, a holistic view. Measuring performance, objectives in Q. Cost estimation and behavior analysis discern. How costs behave, lessons to learn. Throughput accounting, a focus on flow. Maximizing output, letting inefficiencies go. Target costing, a goal to attain. Designing products with costs in its reign. These techniques, a toolkit to explore. In the realm of managerial accounting's lore. With numbers as our guide and decisions in hand. We navigate the business world, a strategic band. So let us delve into this realm profound. Where numbers and decisions astound. Managerial accounting, a vital art. Guiding businesses, playing a significant part. May our analyses be sharp and clear. As we navigate the financial sphere. With managerial accounting as our aid. Success in business, we will surely parade. Song. Verse 1. In the world of numbers, where decisions align. Managerial accounting, a tool so fine. Analyzing costs and financial trends. Guiding businesses, where success transcends. Chorus. Oh, managerial accounting, our guiding light. With numbers and data, we'll make things right. From budgeting to variance analysis. We'll sail through challenges, with precision and bliss. Verse 2. CVP analysis, a key to understand. The relationship between costs and demand. Activity-based costing, a method so wise. Allocating expenses, the truth it implies. Chorus. Oh, managerial accounting, our guiding light. With numbers and data, we'll make things right. From budgeting to variance analysis. We'll sail through challenges, with precision and bliss. Verse 3. Break-even analysis, where revenues meet. Determining profitability, a feat so sweet. Contribution margin, a metric to behold. Measuring each sale's worth, as stories unfold. Chorus. Oh, managerial accounting, our guiding light. With numbers and data, we'll make things right. From budgeting to variance analysis. We'll sail through challenges, with precision and bliss. Bridge. Standard costing, a benchmark to compare. Actual costs to standards, we'll be aware. Pricing strategies and profitability in sight. Crafting success, with all our might. Chorus. Oh, managerial accounting, our guiding light. With numbers and data, we'll make things right. From budgeting to variance analysis. We'll sail through challenges, with precision and bliss. Verse 4. Balanced scorecard, a holistic view. Measuring performance, objectives pursue. Cost estimation and behavior analysis. Understanding costs, unlocking business genesis. Chorus. Oh, managerial accounting, our guiding light. With numbers and data, we'll make things right. From budgeting to variance analysis. We'll sail through challenges, with precision and bliss. Outro. Through the realm of numbers, we'll surely thrive. Managerial accounting, helping us strive. With this knowledge and techniques at hand. We'll navigate the business world, a triumphant band. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.